In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Before we jump into the actual steps, there's one important thing to understand. Copilot in Microsoft Teams is a premium AI feature, and it only appears if your account has a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription. Because Copilot is deeply connected with your Microsoft 365 apps, files, and work data, the setting to control it will not show up unless that subscription is active. So if you open Teams and don't see the option mentioned in this tutorial, that usually means Copilot is not available on your current account or plan. Once you understand that, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams on your device. Let the app load fully so all the menu options are visible and ready to use. When you're on the main Teams screen, look toward the top right corner of the window. In that area, you'll find the three-dot icon which opens the More menu. Click on that icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage different parts of your Teams experience. Inside Settings, go to the General tab. This is where the Copilot setting appears, but again, it will only be visible if your account includes the required Microsoft 365 subscription. Once you're in the General section, look for the option related to Copilot in Chat. If that setting is currently turned on, simply toggle it off. That disables Copilot in Chat within Microsoft Teams. And that's it. The process is very straightforward once you know where to look. The key thing to remember is that the setting depends on your subscription, so if you don't see it, that's the first thing to check. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account, especially if you use multiple accounts for work, school, or personal use, since Copilot availability can vary between them. If the setting is available and you switch it off, the change should take effect right away. If it doesn't seem to update immediately, try closing and reopening Teams just to refresh the app. That's all you need to do to turn off Copilot in Microsoft Teams.